Building landscape features such as grill islands and fireplaces is similar to building vertical planters in walls, except that they are generally higher and require no backfill. Most vertical features can be constructed using Ucara standard backer blocks, which are light and easy to handle. The depth of the standard backer block combined with the depth of one Ucara panel creates a very manageable 8 3/8 inch deep wall. This is perfect for constructing hollow structures such as grill islands and fireplaces, and provides sufficient space to access utilities. Spacing backer blocks horizontally can significantly reduce or sometimes completely eliminate backer block cuts. To save time and to avoid making unnecessary cuts, always try to design within the dimensions of the Ucara panel size. Features that are higher than 4 courses should always be constructed on a reinforced concrete slab to prevent settlement. To create a solid vertical structure, always glue each row of standard backer blocks to the previous row. Ucara is the perfect wall when you need to create access panels in your features like this fire feature. By placing backer blocks strategically, you can easily create a convenient access portal. And finally, Ucara fascia panels can be used as a narrow format coping for small planters, fire pits, and countertop edging. When it comes to building landscape features, Ucara is practical, efficient, and versatile.